solve the wrong problem still. You built it for you, not for the will. If no one's asking, no one's there, then even the best idea goes nowhere. Too weak, too narrow, easy to beat. Competitors move right past your feet. If they can design around your claim, you've got a patent without a game. No launch, no sales, no push, no try, no watch in the market as others pass by. No one will enforce it, that part's on you. The value shows up in what you do. A patent alone won't make you gold. It's just a tool, it's what you hold. Use it right, take control.